Which animal is the fastest on land? Cheetah. How many days are in a leap year? 366 days. Which one is Canada's flag? Canada. Which landmark can you find in Paris? Eiffel Tower. What does H2O stand for? Water. Which planet is the largest? Jupiter. Which company owns the iPhone? Apple. Which country has the largest population? India. Which fruit has seeds on the outside? Strawberry. Which organ pumps blood in the human body? Heart. How many did you get right? Comment your score.